Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to the Python Basics series. So on a previous video we installed the Python in our computer. So in this video we are going to learn on how to install the code editor or to set up the code editor for our work on the Python journey. So basically the code editor, what it does is it's help you organize the work and write the codes, the Python codes. Basically it help you write and interpret the codes when you are running it, when you are running your code. So basically you're going to use the VS code. I like the VS code because it's a very lightweight, doesn't consume a lot of RAM. So this is how you're going to use it. So go to the first link you get, then you can click download. From the download you select the videos that you are using. So mine I'm using videos, so I mean the OS you're using, not the videos, the OS you're using, then you click download. I already downloaded mine, so I'm not going to download again. So you can open the setup. So from the setup you go, I accept, click next. So this is the path that you're going to install the VS code, you see, or you can even browse to change the path. So click next. So you're going to click the create the VS code. That's the folder. Go next. On this you can maybe create the desktop icon on your computer. So I don't need that. You can just go next, then you can install. It's as simple as that on the installation. So you give it some minutes to install. After you're done installing, you can click on this launch Visual Studio Code and click finish. It's going to open the Visual Studio Code for you. When you load the code editor, it's going to show you a welcome window. Then you can click on a new file. Yeah, but I would prefer you organize your work on there in a folder form. So first thing first, I would prefer you might not install the Python in your the Python extension in your command prompt, but it's very useful when you're writing the code from your code editor, and it can help you when you are debugging, testing. So you can install the extension. You can install the Python extension. Yeah, but because we installed it previously, you might not it. It's not necessary, but let's install it. Python. So you're going to consider this one here. This one from Microsoft. So you can click install. And maybe read some more information on it here. Now it's going to go. So after you have successfully installed the Python, you can see that it said install. That means the extension was installed in your computer. So basically, I said this is not important, but you can install it if you have that time to do so. But to help in formatting when you are writing the code, maybe in your indenting, it show you where the error is. So basically, it will help along the process when you're writing code from this code editor. So yeah, install it. Then that's all for setting up the VS code for Python. So in the next video, we are going to write the code on how to write the hello world program. Now we are going to test the code editor and the Python we installed in our computer. So see you in the next video. Thank you.